Mina no Nihongo 1, Lesson 1, Vocabulary. Watashi ai, watashi tachi we. Anata, you. Ano hito, that person, he, she. Ano kata is the polite equivalent of ano hito. Minasan, ladies and gentlemen, all of you. San, Mr. Miss, title of respect added to a name. Chan, suffix often added to a child's name instead of san. Kun, suffix often added to a boy's name. Jin, suffix meaning a national of, example, America Jin. Sensei, teacher, instructor. Not used when referring to one's own job. Kyoshi, teacher, instructor. Gakusei, student. Kaishain, company employee. Shine, employee of company. Used with the company's name. IMC no shine. Kinkoin, bank employee. Isha, medical doctor. Kenkyusha, researcher, scholar. Engineer. Daigaku, university. Byoin, hospital. Tenki, electricity light. Dare, donata. Who? Donata is the polite equivalent of dare. Sai, years old. Nansai, how old? Oikutsu is the polite equivalent of nansai. Hai, yes. Iie, no. Shitsurei desu ka? Excuse me, but onamae wa? May I have your name? Hajimemashite. How do you do? Example, I am meeting you for the first time, usually used as the first phrase when introducing oneself. Dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Pleased to meet you. Example, please be nice to me. Usually used at the end of a self-introduction. Kochira wa san desu. This is Mr. or Miss. Karakimashita. I came from. Karakimashita. America, USA. Igirisu, UK. Indo, India. Indonesia. Kankoku, South Korea. Thailand. Chugoku, China. Doitsu, Germany. Nihon, Japan. Furansu, France. Brazil. Sakura Daigaku. Fuji Daigaku. Fictitious University. IMC Pawa Denki. Braziluia. Fictitious Companies. AKC. Fictitious Institute. Kobe Byoin. Fictitious Hospital. Lesson 2, Vocabulary, Koi. Kore, this thing here. Sore, that thing near you. Are, that thing over there. Kono, this here. Sono, that near you. Ano, that over there. Hon, book. Jisho, dictionary. Zashi, magazine. Shinbun, newspaper. Noto, notebook. Techo, pocket notebook. Meishi, business card. Kado, card. Telephone kado, telephone card. Enpitsu, pencil. ボールペン、ballpoint pen. シャープペンシル、mechanical pencil, mechanical pencil, propelling pencil. Kagi, key, tokay, watch, clock, kasa, umbrella, kaban, bag, briefcase, kasetto, kado, kasetto, tepu, cassette tape, tepu recorder, tape recorder, television, radio, camera, computer, jidosha, automobile car, sukwe, desk, isu, chair, chocolate, coffee, ego, the English language, Nihongo, the Japanese language, go, language, nan, what, so, chigaimasu, no, it isn't, you are wrong, so desu ka, I see, is that so? Well, used to show hesitation. Hon no kimuchi desu. It's nothing, it's a token of gratitude. Hon no kimuchi desu. Dozo? Please, here you are, used when offering someone something. Domo, well thanks. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you very much. Kaiwa, korekara osewa ni narimasu. I hope for your kind assistance hereafter. Kochira kozo yoroshiku. Response to dozo yoroshiku. Lesson 3, Vocabulary, Goi. Koko, here, this place. Soko, there, that place near you. Asoko, that place over there. Doko, where, what place. Kochira, this way, this place. Polite equivalent of koko. Sochira, that way, that place near you. Polite equivalent of soko. Achira, that way, that place over there. Polite equivalent of asoko. Dochira, which way, where. Polite equivalent of doko. Kyoshitsu, classroom. Shokudo, dining hall, canteen. Jimusho, office. Kaigishitsu, conference room, assembly room. Uketsuke, reception desk. Lobby. Heya, room. Toire, ote arai. Toilet, restroom. Kaidan, staircase. Erebeta, elevator, lift. Esukareta, escalator. Kuni, country. Kaisha, company. Huchi, house, home. Tenwa, telephone call. Kutsu, shoes. Necktie. Wine. Tobacco, cigarette. Uriba, department counter in a department store. Chika, basement. Guy, floor. Nangai, what floor? Yen. Ikura, how much? Yaku, 100. Sen, 1,000. Man, 10,000. Kaiwa, sumimasen. Excuse me. Te gozaimasu. Polite equivalent of desu. Misete kudasai. Please show me. Ja. Well then, in that case, kudasai. Give me please. Shin Osaka, name of a station in Osaka. Italia, Italy. Suisu, Switzerland. Emtionen akikusu, fictitious company. Lesson 4. Vocabulary Koi. Okimasu, get up, wake up. Nemasu, sleep, go to bed. Hatarakimasu, work. Yasumimasu, take a rest, take a holiday. Benkyou shimasu, study. Owarimasu, finish. Depato, department store. Ginko, bank. Yubin Kyoku, post office. Toshokan, library. Bijutsukan, art museum. Ima, now. Ji, o'clock. Hun, minute. Han, half. Nanji, what time. Nanpun, what minute. Gozen, AM morning. Gogo, PM afternoon. Asa, morning. Hiro, daytime noon. Ban, Yoru, night evening. Ototoy, the day before yesterday. Kino, yesterday. Kyo, today. Ashita, tomorrow. Asate, the day after tomorrow. Kesa, this morning. Koban, this evening, tonight. Yasumi, rest, a holiday, a day off. Hiroyasumi, lunchtime. My asa, every morning. My ban, every night. My nichi, every day. Getsuyobi, Monday. Kayobi, Tuesday. Suyobi, Wednesday. Mokuyobi, Thursday. Kinyobi, Friday. Doyobi, Saturday. Nichiyobi, Sunday. Nanyobi, what day of the week? Bango, number. Nanban, what number? Kara, from. Made, up to, until. To, and used to connect nouns. Sochira, your place. Taihen desu ne. That stop, isn't it? Used when expressing sympathy. Well, let me see. Kaiwa, 104, Ichi, Rayon, Information Directory Assistance. Onegai shimasu, please, ask for a favor. Kashikomarimashita. Certainly, sir, madam. Otoyawase no bango. The number being inquired about. Domo, arigato gozaimashita. Thank you very much. New York, Peking, Beijing, London, Bangkok, Rosaso, Ceruso, Los Angeles, Yamato, Bijutsukan, Art Museum of Yamato, fictitious art museum. Osaka, Depato, fictitious department store. Midori, Toshokan, fictitious library. Appuru, Ginko, fictitious bank. Lesson 5. Vocabulary Koi. Ikimasu, go. Kimasu, come. Kairimasu, go home, return. Gakko, school. Supa, supermarket. Eki, station. Hikoki, airplane. Fune, ship. Densha, electric train. Chikatetsu, subway underground. Shinkansen, the Shinkansen, the bullet train. Basu, bus. Takushi, taxi. Jitensha, bicycle. Aruite, on foot. Hito, person, people. Tomodachi, friend. Kare, he, boyfriend, lover. Kanojo, she, girlfriend, lover. Kazoku, family. Hitoride, alone by oneself. Senshu, last week. Konshu, this week. Raishu, next week. Sengetsu, last month. Kongetsu, this month. Raigetsu, next month. Kyonen, last year. Kotoshi, this year. Rainen, next year. Gatsu, month of the year. Nangatsu, what month? Tsuitachi, first day of the month. Futsuka, second, 2 days. Mikka, third, 3 days. Yokka, fourth, 4 days. Ikka, fifth, 5 days. Muika, sixth, 6 days. Nanoka, seventh, 7 days. Yoka, eighth, 8 days. Kokonoka, ninth, 9 days. Toka, 10th, 10 days. Juyokka, 14th, 14 days. Hatsuka, 20th, 20 days. Nijuyokka, 24th, 24 days. Nichi, day of the month, days. Nanichi, which day of the month, how many days. Itsu, when. Tanjobi, birthday. Futsu, local train. Kyuko, rapid. Tokyo, express. Tsugino, next. Kaiwa, do itashimashite. You're welcome, don't mention it. Hansen, platform. Hakata, name of a town in Kyushu. Fushimi, name of a town in Kyoto. Koshien, name of a town near Osaka. Osaka-jo, Osaka Castle, a famous castle in Osaka. Lesson 6, Vocabulary. Goy. Tabemas, eat. Nomimas, drink. Suimas, smoke a cigarette. Tabako o suimas. Mimas, see, look at, watch. Kikimas, hear, listen. Yomimas, read. Kakimas, write, draw, paint. Kaimas, buy. Torimas, take a photograph. Shashin o torimas. Shimas, do. Suimas, meet a friend. Tomodachi ni aimasu. Asa-gohan, breakfast. Hiro-gohan, lunch. Pan-gohan, supper. Pan, bread. Tamago, egg. Niku, meat. Sakana, fish. Yasai, vegetable. Kudamono, fruit. Mizu, water. Ocha, tea, green tea. Kocha, black tea. Gyunyu, milk. Miruku, milk. Juzu, juice. Biru, beer. Osake, alcohol, Japanese rice wine. Video, videotape, videodeck. Eiga, movie. CD, CD compact disc. Tegami, letter. Repoto, report. Shashin, photograph. Mise, store, shop. Restaurant, restaurant. Niwa, garden. Shukudai, homework. Shukudai oshimasu. Will do homework. Tennisu, tennis. Tennisu o shimasu. Play tennis. Soccer. Soccer, football. Soccer o shimasu. Play soccer. Ohanami. Cherry blossom viewing. Ohanami o shimasu. Go cherry blossom viewing. Nani? What? Ishuni. Together. Shotto. A little while. A little bit. Itsumo. Itsumo. Always, usually. Tokidoki. Sometimes. Sorekara. After that and then. Yes. Ii desu ne. That's good. Wakarimashita. I see. Kaiwa. Nan desu ka? Yes. Ja, mata. Ashita. See you tomorrow. Mexico. Osaka, Joko-en. Osaka Castle Park. Lesson 7. Vocabulary. Goy. Kirimasu. Cut, slice. Okurimasu. Send. Agemasu. Give. Moraimasu. Receive. Kashimasu. Lend. Karimasu. Borrow. Oshiemasu. Teach. Naraimasu. Learn. Kakimasu. Make a telephone call. Tenwa o kakimasu. Te. Hand arm. Hashi. Chopsticks. Supon. Spoon. Knifeu. Knife. Foku. Fork. Hasami. Scissors. Fakusu. Fax. Wafuro. Word processor. Pasokon. Personal computer. Panchi. Punch. Hachikisu. Stapler. Serotape. Scotch tape. Clear adhesive tape. Keshigomu. Eraser. Kami. Paper. Hana. Flower blossom. Shatsu. Shirt. Furasento. Present gift. Nimotsu. Baggage parcel. Okane. Money. Kifu. Ticket. Kurisumasu. Christmas. Chichi. My father. Haha. My mother. Otosan. Someone else's father. Okasan. Someone else's mother. Mo. Already. Mada. Not yet. Korektara. From now on soon. Suteki desu ne. What a nice. Kaiwa. Gomen kudasai. Excuse me. Anybody home? May I come in? An expression used by a visitor. Irashai. How nice of you to come. Welcome. Dozo okagari kudasai. Do come in. Shitsurei shimasu. Thank you, may I? I'm afraid I'll be disturbing you. Ikaga desu ka? Would you like to have? Use when offering something. Itadakimasu. Thank you, I accept, said before starting to eat or drink. Ryoko. Trip, tour. Omiyage. Souvenir, present. Europe. Spain. Lesson 8. Vocabulary. Goy. Hansamu. Handsome. Kirei. Beautiful, clean. Shizuka. Quiet. Nigiyaka. Lively. Yume. Famous. Shinsetsu. Kind. Genki. Healthy, sound, cheerful. Hima. Free time. Benri. Convenient. Suteki, fine, nice, wonderful. Oki, big, large. Shisai, small, little. Atarashi, new. Furoi, old, not of age. Yoi, good. Warui, bad. Atsui, hot. Samui, cold, referring to temperature. Tsumetai, cold, referring to touch. Muzukashi, difficult. Yasashi, easy. Takai, expensive, tall, high. Yesui, inexpensive. Hikui, low. Omoshiroi, interesting. Oishi, delicious, tasty. Isugashi, busy. Tanoshi, enjoyable. Shiroi, white. Kuroi, black. Akai, red. Aoi, blue. Sakura, cherry blossom. Yama, mountain. Machi, town, city. Tabemono, food. Kuruma, car, vehicle. Tokoro, place. Ryo, dormitory. Benkyo, study. Seikatsu, life. Oshigoto, work, business. Oshigoto shimasu, do one's job, work. Do, how. Donna, what kind of. Dore, which one. 3 or more. Totemo, very. Amari, not so, used with negatives. Soshite, and used to connect sentences. Ka, but. Ogenki desu ka? How are you? So desu ne. Well, let me see. Pausing. Kaiwa, Nihon no seikatsu ni naremashita ka? Have you got used to the life in Japan? Mo, ipai, ikaga desu ka? Would you have another cup of... Iie, kekko desu. No, thank you. Mo, desu ne. It's all ready, isn't it? Soro soro, shitsurei shimasu. It's almost time to leave. Mada irashatte kudasai. Please come again. Fuji-san, Mount Fuji, the highest mountain in Japan. Biwako, Lake Biwa, the biggest lake in Japan. Shanghai, Shanghai. Chichinin no Samurai, The Seven Samurai, a classic movie by Akira Kurosawa. Kinkakuji Temple, the Golden Pavilion. Lesson 9, Vocabulary, Goi. Wakarimasu, understand. Arimasu, have. Suki, like. Kirai, dislike. Jozu, good at. Heta, poor at. Ryori, dish, cook food, cooking. Nomimono, drinks. Supotsu, sport. Supotsu oshimasu, play sports. Yakyu, baseball. Yakyu oshimasu, play baseball. Dansu, dance. Dansu oshimasu, dance. Ongaku, music. Uta, song. Kurashiku, classic music. Jazz, jazz. Concerto, concert. Karaoke, karaoke. Kabuki, kabuki. Traditional Japanese musical drama. E, picture drawing. G, letter character. Kanji, Chinese character. Hiragana, hiragana script. Katakana, katakana script. Romaji, romaji. The Roman alphabet. Komakai o kane. Small change. Chiketto, ticket. Chikan, time. Yoji, something to do, errand. Yakusoku, appointment, promise. Goshujin, someone else's husband. Otto, Shujin, my husband. okusan, someone else's wife. Tsuma, kanai, my wife. Kodomo, child. Yoku, well, much. Daitai, mostly, roughly. Takusan, many, much. Sukoshi, a little, a few. Zen. Hayaku, early, quickly, fast. Kara, because. Doshite, why? Zanen desu ne. I'm sorry to hear that. That's a pity. Sumimasen. I am sorry. Kaiwa, moshi, hello, used on the phone. Ishu ni ikaga desu ka? Won't you join us? Won't you join me? Chotto. It's a bit difficult. An euphemism used when declining an invitation. Dame desu ka? So you cannot come? Mada, kondo onegai shimasu. Please ask me again some other time. Used when refusing an invitation, indirectly considering someone's feelings. Ozawa Seiji, famous Japanese conductor, 1935. Lesson 10, Vocabulary, Goe. Imas, exist, be referring to animate things. Arimas, exist, be referring to inanimate things. Iro, various. Otoko no hito, man. Ona no hito, woman. Otoko no cowboy. Ona no cowgirl. Inu, dog. Neko, cat. Ki, tree, wood. Kono, thing. Firimu, film. Denchi, battery. Hako, box. Switch. Reizoko, refrigerator. Teburu, table. Bedo, bed. Tana, shelf. Doa, door. Mado, window. Postuto, mailbox, postbox. Biru, building. Koen, park. Kisaten, coffee shop. Honya, bookstore. Ya, store. Noriba, a fixed place to catch taxis, trains, etc. Ken, prefecture. Ue, on, above, over. Shita, under, below, beneath. Mae, front, before. Ushiro, back, behind. Migi, right side. Hidari, left side. Naka, inside, in. Soto, outside. Tonari, next door. Shikaku, near vicinity. Aida, between, among. Ya, nado, and so on. Ichiban, the most. Ichiban uwe, the top. Danme, the shelf. Dan is the counter for shelves. Taiwa, domo sumimasen. Thank you. Chili sauce. Supaisu kona. Spice corner. Tokyo, Disneyland. Tokyo Disneyland. Sutowa. Prestigious supermarket. Lesson 11, Vocabulary, Goy. Imas, have. Kodomo ga imas, have a child. Imas, stay, be. Nihon ni imas, stay in Japan. Kakarimas, take, referring to time or money. Yasumimas, take a day off. Kaisha o yasumimas, take a day off of work. Hitotsu, 1. Use when counting things. Futatsu, 2. Mitsu, 3. Yotsu 4, Itsutsu 5, Mutsu 6, Nanatsu 7, Yatsu 8, Kokonotsu 9, To 10, Ikutsu. How many? Hitori 1 person, Futari 2 person, Nin people counter. Dai counter for animals, cars, etc. Mai counter for paper stamps, etc. Kai times. Ringo, apple, mikan, mandarin, orange. Sandowichi, sandwich, kare, raisu, curry and rice. Ice cream, kite. Postage stamp, hagaki, postcard. Hagaki, postcard. Futo, envelope. Sokotatsu, special delivery. Kakitome, registered mail. Eya meru, airmail. Kokubin, airmail. Funabin, seamail. Ryoshin, parents. Kyodai, brothers and sisters. Ani, my elder brother. Oni-san, someone else elder brother. Ane, my elder sister. Ane-san, someone else elder sister. Ototo, my younger brother. Ototo-san, someone else younger brother. Imoto, my younger sister. Imoto-san, someone else younger sister. Gaikoku, foreign country. Jikan, hours. Shukan, weeks. Kagetsu, months. Nen, years. Gurai, about. Donogurai, how long. Zenbude, in total. Mina, all, everything. Take, only. Irashaimase, welcome, may I help you? A greeting to a customer or a guest entering a shop, etc. Kaiwa, iterashai, so long. Go and come back. Ite, mairimasu, so long. I'm going and coming back. Sorekara, and furthermore. Osutoraria, Australia. Lesson 12, Vocabulary Goy. Kantan, easy, simple. Chikai, near, toy, far. Hayay, fast, early. Osoy, slow, late. Oy, many people, much. Hitoga, oy, many people. Sukunai, few people, a little. Hitoga sukunai, few people, a little. Atatakai, warm. Suzushi, cool. Amai, sweet. Karai, hot, spicy. Omoy, heavy. Karui, light. Prefer, coffee. Kohiga, kisetsu, season. Haru, spring. Natsu, summer. Aki, autumn. Fune, winter. Tenki, weather. Ame, rain, rainy. Yuki, snow, snowy. Kumori, cloudy. Hoteru, hotel. Kuko, airport. Umi, sea, ocean. Sekai, world. Pa, tiyoshimasu. Give a party. O, matsuri, festival. Shiken, examination. Sukiyaki, sukiyaki, beef and vegetable hot pot. Sashimi, sashimi, sliced raw fish. O sushi, sushi, vinegared rice topped with rice raw. Tempura, tempura, seafood and vegetable deep fried in butter. Ikebana, flower arrangement. Ikebana oshimasu, practice flower arrangement. Momiji, maple red leaves of autumn. Dochira, which one between two things? Dochira mo, both. Zuto, by far. Hajimete, for the first time. Kaiwa, tadaima, I'm home. Okaeri nasai, welcome home. Sugoi desu ne, that's amazing. Demo, but sukaremashita. I'm tired. Gion o matsuri, the Gion Festival, the most famous festival in Kyoto. Hong Kong, Singapore, Mainichiya, fictitious supermarket. ABC Sutowa, fictitious supermarket. Japan, fictitious supermarket. Lesson 13, Vocabulary Goy. Asobimasu, enjoy oneself, play. Oyogimasu, swim. Mukaimasu, go to meet, welcome. Tsukarimasu, get tired. Dashimasu, send. Tegami o dashimasu, send the letter. Hairimasu, enter. Kisaten ni hairimasu, enter a coffee shop. Demasu, go out. Kisaten o demasu, go out a coffee shop. Kikonshimasu, marry, get married. Kaimono no shimasu, do shopping. Shokuji shimasu, have a meal, dine. Sampo shimasu, take a walk. Koe no sampo shimasu, take a walk in the park. Taihen, hardtop, severe apple. Hoshi, want something. Sabishi, lonely. Hiroi, wide, spacious. Semai, narrow, small room, etc. Shokusho, municipal office, city hall. Furu, swimming pool. Kawa, river. Keizai, economy. Bujutsu, fine art. Suri, fishing. Suki, skiing. Kaigi, meeting, conference. Toroku, registration. Shumatsu, weekend. Goro, about. Nanika, something. Dokuka, somewhere, someplace. Onakaga sukimashita, I'm hungry. Onakaga ippai desu, I'm full. Nodo ga kawakimashita, I'm thirsty. So desu ne. I agree with you. So shimashou, let's do that. Use when agreeing with someone's suggestion. Kaiwa, Shumon wa, may I take your order? Teishoku, set meal. Gyudon, Paulo rice topped with beef. Shusho, omachi kudasai. Please wait a moment. Betsu betsuni. Separately. Russia, Tsuruya, fictitious Japanese restaurant. Ohio Terebi, fictitious TV program. Lesson 14, Vocabulary. Tsukemasu, turn on. Keshimasu, turn off. Akemasu, open. Shimemasu, close, shut. Isogimasu, hurry. Machimasu, wait. Tomemasu, stop, park. Magarimasu, turn to the right. Migi, turn to the right. Mochimasu, hold. Torimasu, take pass. Tatsudaimasu, help with task. Yobimasu, call. Hanashimasu, speak, talk. Misemasu, show. Oshiemasu, tell, an address. Jusho, o, oshimasu. Hajimemasu, start, begin. Furimasu, rin. Amega, kohi, copy, shimasu, copy. Aircon, air conditioner. Passport, passport. Namae, name. Jusho, address. Chizu, map. Shio, salt. Sato, sugar. Yomikata, how to read, way of reading. Kata, how to, way of ing. Hikuri, slowly, leisurely. Sugu, immediately. Mata, again. Atode, later. Mo, sukoshi, a little more. Mo, more. Another. I desu yo, sure, certainly. Right. Used when encouraging some course of action. Are, o, in surprise or in wonder. Kaiwa. Jinko o migi e magate kudasai. Turn to the right at the signal. Masugo, straight. Kore de onegai shimasu. I'd like to pay with this. Otsure, change. Umeda, name of town in Osaka. Lesson 15, Vocabulary Goy. Tachimasu, stand up. Suwarimasu, sit down. Sukaimasu, use. Okimasu, put. Sukurimasu, make, produce. Urimasu, sell. Shirimasu, get to know. Sumimasu, be, going to leave. Kenkyu shimasu, do research. Hitte imasu, no. Sunde imasu, leave. Osaka ni sunde imasu, live in Osaka. Shirio, materials, data. Katarogu, catalog. Jikoku yo, timetable. Fuku, clothes. Seihin, product. Sofuto, software. Senmon, specialty. Field of study. Haisha, dentist. Tokoya, barber, barbers. Purei Gaido, theater ticket agency. Dokushin, shingle. Dokushin, single. Kaiwa, tokuni, especially. Omoi dashimasu, remember, recollect. Gokazoku, your family. Irashaimasu, be honorific equivalent of imasu. Koko, senior high school. Lesson 16, Vocabulary, Goy. Norimasu, ride, get on. Tensha ni norimasu, ride on, get on, train. Orimasu, get off. Tensha o orimasu, get off a train. Norikaimasu, change, train, etc. Abimasu, take a shower. Shawa o abimasu, take a shower. Irimasu, put in, insert. Dashimasu, take out, withdraw. Hairimasu, enter. Daigaku ni hairimasu, enter university. Demasu, graduate from university. Daigaku o demasu, graduate from university. Yamemasu, quit or retire from company. Stop, give up. Kaisha o yamemasu, quit or retire from company. Stop or give up. Oshimasu, push, press. Wakai, young. Nagai, long. Mijikai, short. Akarui, bright light. Kurai, dark. Sega, takai, tall, referring to person. Atama, gai, clever, smart. Karada, body. Atama, head. Kami, hair. Cow, face. Me, eye. Mimi, ear. Kuchi, mouth. Ha, tooth. Onaka, stomach. Ashi, leg, foot. Sabisu, service. Jogging, jogging. Shawa, shower. Midori, green, greenery. Otera, Buddhist temple. Jinsha, Shinto shrine. Ryogakusei, foreign student. Ban, number. Toryate, in what way, how? Dono, which, used for 3 or more. Ie, madamada desu. Ie, madamada desu. No, I still have a long way to go. Oh, hikidashimasu. Are you making a withdrawal? Mazu, first of all. Kyashukado, cash dispensing card. Anshubango, personal identification number pin. Sugini, next as next steps. Kingaku, amount of money. Kakunin, confirmation. Button, JR Japan Railway. Asia, Asia. Veracruz, in Mexico. Franken in Germany. Vietnam. We in Vietnam. Taigakumae, fictitious bus stop. Lesson 17, Vocabulary Koy. Oboimas, memorize. Wasurimas, forget. Nakushimas, lose. Dashimas, hand in a report. Reporto dashimas, hand in a report. Haraimas, pay. Kaishimas, give back, return. Dekakemas, go out. Nugimas, take up clothes, shoes, etc. Motte ikimas, take something. Motekimas, bring something. Shimposhimasu, worry. Zangyoshimasu, work overtime. Shushoshimasu, go on business trip. Nomimasu, take medicine. Kusuri o nomimasu, take medicine. Hairimasu, take a bath. Ofuro ni hairimasu, take a bath. Taisetsu, important, precious. Daijobu, alright. Abunai, dangerous. Mondai, question, problem, trouble. Kotae, answer. Kin-en, no smoking. Kenko, hokensho, health insurance card. Kaze, cold, flu. Netsu, fever. Byoki, illness, disease. Kusuri, medicine. Ofurubat, Oage, jacket, outerwear. Shitage, underwear. Sensei, doctor use when addressing a medical doctor. Madani, before by indicating time limit. Kaiwa, do, shimashita ka? What's the matter? Ga, itodaides. Have a pain. Ga, itaides. Have a pain in my nodo, throat. Odaiji ni, take care of yourself. Said to people who are ill. Lesson 18, Vocabulary. Tekimasu, be able to ken. Araimasu, wash. Hikimasu, play string instrument or piano, etc. Utaimasu, sing. Atsumemasu, collect, gather. Sutemasu, throw away. Kaemasu, exchange, change. Untenshimasu, drive. Yoyakushimasu, reserve book. Kengakushimasu, visit some place for study. Piano, Metoru, meter. Kokusai, international. Genkin, cash. Shumi, hobby. Nikki, diary. O inori. Kacho, section chief. Pucho, department chief. Shiacho, president of company. Kaiwa, dobutsu, animal. Uma, horse. Really? Used when expressing surprise. Sorewa omoshiroi desu ne. That must be interesting. Naka-naka, not easily. Used in negatives. Bokujo, ranch, stock farm. Honto desu ka? Really? Zehi, by all means. Lesson 19, Vocabulary Goy. Noborimasu, climb. Yama ni noborimasu, climb a mountain. Tomarimasu, stay. Hotero ni tomarimasu, stay at hotel. Soji shimasu, clean. Santaku shimasu wash, renshu shimasu practice, narimasu become. Nemu is sleepy, tsuyo is strong, yowai weak, shoshiga be in good condition, shoshiga warui be in bad condition. Shoshi condition, gurufu golf, sumo wrestling, panchiko pinball game, ocha tea ceremony hidete. Ichido once, ichidomo not once, never use with negatives. Dandan gradually, musugo soon. Kagesama de thank you use when expressing gratitude for help received. Kampai bottoms up cheers. Jitsuwa actually to tell the truth. Diet. Nangkai mo many times. Shikashi but however. Muri excessive impossible. Karada ni good for one's health, cake. Lesson 20, Vocabulary Goy. Irimas, need, require. Visa ga irimas, need, require a visa. Hirabemas, check, investigate. Naushimas, repair, correct. Shuri ishimasu repair, denwa shimasu phone. Boku ay an informal equivalent of watashi, used by men. Kimi, you, an informal equivalent of anata, used by men. Kun, Mr., an informal equivalent of san, used by men. Yes, an informal equivalent of hi. No, an informal equivalent of iye. Salaryman, salaried worker, office worker. Kotoba, word language. Pukka, commodity prices. Kimono, traditional Japanese attire. Visa, hajime, the beginning. Owari, the end. Kochi, this way, this place, an informal equivalent of kochira. Sochi, this way, that place, an informal equivalent of Sochira. Achi, this way, that place over there, an informal equivalent of Achira. Dochi, which one? Between two things, which way? Where, an informal equivalent of Dochira. Kono aida, the other day. Mina de, altogether. Kedo, but. An informal equivalent of ka. Kaiwa. Kuni kairu no? Are you going back to your country? Do, I don't know. What will you do? Do, shiyoka na? What shall I do? Yokattara. If you like, iro various. Lesson 21, Vocabulary Goy. Omoimasu, think. Imasu, say. Tarimasu, be enough, be sufficient. Kachimasu, win. Makemasu, lose, be beaten. Arimasu, a festival be held, take place. Matsumari ga arimasu, festival be held, take place. Hyaku ni tachimasu, be useful. Mada, wasteful. Puven, inconvenient. Onaji, the same. Sugoi, awful great, expresses astonishment or admiration. Shusho, Prime Minister. Daitorio, President. Seiji, politics, news. Supichi, speech. Oshimasu, make a speech. Supichi, oshimasu, make a speech. Si ai, game match. Arubaito, side job. Iken, opinion. Ohanashi, talk, speech, what one says, story. Yumoa, humor, mother waste. Design. Kotsu, transportation, traffic. Rashu, rush hour. Saikin recently these days. Tabun probably perhaps maybe. Kitto surely. Honto ni really. Sona ni not so much. Used with negatives. Nitsuite about something. Shikata ga arimasen. There is no other choice. It can't be helped. Kaiwa. Shibaraku desu ne? It's been a long time since I last saw you. Long time no see. Demo nomimasen ka? How about drinking or something? Minaito, I've got to watch it. Mochiron, of course. Kangaroo. Captain Kopu. Captain James Cook. Lesson 22, Vocabulary Goy. Kimas, put on a shirt, etc. Shatsu okimasu, put on a shirt. Hakimasu, put on shoes, trousers, etc. Kutsu o hakimasu, put on shoes. Kaburimasu, put on a hat, etc. Boshi o kaburimasu, put on a hat. Kakimasu, put on a glass. Megane o kakimasu, put on glass. Sumarimasu, be born. Koto, coat. Sutsu, suit. Seta, sweater. Boshi, hat, cap. Megane, glasses. Yoku, open. Omedetou gozaimasu, congratulations. Used on birthdays, at weddings, New Year's Day, etc. Kaiwa, kochira, this polite equivalent of correct. Yachin, house rent. Let me see. Dining-gu, kitchen. Kitchen with a dining area. Washitsu, Japanese style room. Oshire, Japanese style closet. Futon, Japanese style mattress and quilt. Apato, apartment. Paris. Hanri no Suzhou, the Great Wall of China. Yoka, Kaihatsu Center, Center for Delivering Leisure Activities. Reja, Hakusho, White Paper on Leisure. Lesson 23, Vocabulary Goy. Kikimasu, ask the teacher, or ask. Sensei ni kikimasu, ask the teacher. Mawashimasu, turn. Hikimasu, pull. Kaimasu, change. Sawarimasu, touch. Dowa ni sawarimasu, touch the door. Demasu, change, come out. Otsuri ga demasu, change, come out. Ugokimasu, a watch. Move, work. Toki ga ugokimasu. Move the watch. Harukimasu, walk. Machi o harukimasu, walk along a road. Watarimasu, cross. Hashi o watarimasu, cross the bridge. Ki o tsukimasu, pay attention. Kuruma ni ki o tsukimasu, pay attention to cars. Hikoshimasu, move house. Denkya, electrical appliance. Store, staff. Ya, person of shop. Size, auto sound. Kikai machine. Tsumami knob. Kosho breakdown. Michi road. Kusaten crossroad. Shingo traffic light. Kado corner. Hashi bridge. Shushajo parking lot, car park. The indicating order. Oshogatsu, New Year's Day. Kochi sasama deshita. That was delicious, said after eating or drinking. Kaiwa, Tatemono building. Daikoku Jintoruku Sho, alien registration card. Shotoku Taiji, Prince Shotoku. Horyoji, Horyoji Temple, temple in Nara Prefecture built by Prince Shotoku at the beginning of 7th century. Honkicho, fictitious tea. Toshukan Mae, fictitious bus stop. Lesson 24, Vocabulary, Goy. Kurimasu, give. Tsurete ikimasu, take someone. Tsurete kimasu, bring someone. Okurimasu, escort someone, go with. Hito o okurimasu, escort someone, go with. Shokai shimasu, introduce. Anai shimasu, show around, show the way. Satsume shimasu, explain. Irimasu, make coffee. Irimasu, make. Kohi o irimasu, make coffee. Oji-san, Oji-chan, grandfather, old man. Oba-san, Oba-chan, grandmother, old woman. Jumbi, preparation. Imi, meaning. Okashi, sweet snacks. Zenbu, all. Jibunde, by oneself. Kaiwa, hokani, besides. Wagon siya, station wagon. Obento, Banchlock. Hahanohi, Mother's Day. Lesson 25, Vocabulary, Goy. Kangaimasu, think, consider. Tsukimasu, arrive. Eki ni tsukimasu, arrive at the station. Ryogakushimasu, study abroad. Torimasu, grow old. Toshio torimasu, grow old. Inaka, countryside, hometown. Taishikan, embassy. Gurufu, group. Chansu, chance. Oku, 100 million. Moshitara, if. Ikura, temo, however, even if. Kaiwa, tenkin, be transferred to another office. Koto, thing matter. No koto, thing about. Ippai, nomimasyo. Let's have drink together. Iro-iro, sewa ni narimashita. Thank you for everything you have done for me. Gambarimasu, do one's best. Dozo, o genki de. Best of luck, said when expressing a long separation.